Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to upload a YouTube video. Now I know a lot of you guys there may be watching this and you may be like, I already know how to do that. Well, this video ain't for you, but if you are new here and you are trying to get your YouTube channel going, we're gonna go through that right now. We're gonna get straight to the point. All right, so here we are. We're at the home page. You see here, I'm just basically hovering around my home page on YouTube. And what I'm gonna do here is we wanna get into our YouTube Studio Editor. So right there, as you can see, I originally started 2 videos here a few months back. They started taking off, but either way, what we're gonna do now is we are going to set up our default upload settings. That is the most important thing you want to do. All right, so we're gonna go down here into settings. Now remember, this is the main YouTube channel. This is as you were, say, reviewing stuff. You went ahead and you clicked your videos. See how another tab popped up? Anyway, it shows all your videos that you've posted. All right, now we're gonna go to settings. Then we're gonna go to channel. This kind of gives you channel keywords, advanced settings, and we will do that in another video. But now we're going to go to upload defaults. Okay, now you can do the upload title, how to, and just leave it at that. And as you see, I already got my default upload description. You can set it public, private, unlisted. I recommend doing it private. Okay, and then what you can do is you can do default tags. If you look over here, I already have some tags separated by commas where I go over here and I can paste them to basically have my default tags and keyword settings. Save that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna upload a new video. We're gonna go to create, we're gonna go to upload videos, we're gonna go to select videos. You can either select it and it will bring up your Explorer or your Finder from Apple if you have an Apple. I have Apple. So what I'm gonna do is I already have a video ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and drag that into the video upload screen, okay? Just like anything, it's very simple. But just remember, we're doing all this in Video Editor. All right, so we're there. Now notice the default title and the default description and the default tags that I put there were, they're here because I had already put those into the default upload settings. All right, you can go to video location, things like that. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna go ahead and click next. You can add an end screen if you want here. Sometimes I like to wait to do this after, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so gives you a subscribe button, also gives you this is what pops up at the end of the video if you want. Some people look at this stuff, some they don't. You can add an element, you can add a video there. So sometimes what I like to do is have 1 here, 2 here, most recent video, and then 1 of your previous video. All right, so we're gonna save that. Now, we're not gonna add any cards, that's later. We'll get into another video with that. It looks at the copyright description. There's no issues that we see. Click next. Now you see the upload defaults, we had private. It's gonna save to private automatically. We're not gonna schedule it, and we click save. Now, once this video is done uploading, we're gonna come back to this and we're gonna look and see how it looks, okay? All right, guys, we are back, and as you can see here, the video right here has actually finished uploading, right? So it's processing right now. So what it's looking at is it's processing the standard resolution, and it's gonna make a high def if you have high def. I always recommend, if you can do 4K, do 4K, because down the road, 1080 is probably gonna be gone. They're gonna say you can't have 1080 anymore. Right now it's okay, but like I said, at least do 1080p. If you can, do 4K right now, because 4K is gonna get old down the road. Because you notice how they don't do, I think it's like 720 pixels or resolution or whatever. All right, so right now it's checking a lot of things. So what we can also do while it's doing that, we're gonna close this out. Just always make sure that's 100% uploaded, okay? And all right, so what we're gonna do is you can put descriptions here however you want. you want to make sure that your keywords kind of match your tags, but don't copy them don't copy them word for word. You want to make this into like a description, like some type of paragraph, some description of what you're doing. And then down here, what you want to do is like, so you see how to upload a YouTube video. What I would do is go here, how to upload videos on YouTube, copy, right? Go back to the editor and paste that in there. Why didn't that go? Okay, oh, it's already in there. So I already had that in there. No, I didn't. Wow, okay. So you see right there, and then you can scroll down with your up and down arrow. How to upload high quality video on YouTube. So we'll do that. We'll go down here, paste that right there. And then, like I said, some sort of alternate description. You want all this to be in a paragraph. Do not do word for word. YouTube will ban your channel from what I hear. So, all right, you can do your thumbnails right here. You can add a playlist. So what I'll do is I'll add a new playlist, YouTube video tutorials. Okay, and we create that, we make that public. That automatically saves that to there. All right, we gotta make sure. So remember what we had before, we added an end screen. Now we have an end screen right there. So we always want that to come down at the end. We can go over your end screens at another video, but this is kind of just going over the basics on how to at least get your YouTube video uploaded. All right, so now we're gonna click save. Now remember, this is still private. All right, so that's saving, changes saved. Now we're gonna click back. Now here's what we're gonna do. I really didn't put a title in there, but let's just say I wanted to change the title without going into the video. We can go to edit, title, and description, right? How to upload a YouTube video, all right? Save that. Now that's saved right there. You click right here, opens it up in a private window so you can see what's going on. All right. Now what you'll do is you want to schedule. So I believe on the East Coast time. So we're going to schedule that. And let's say we want to schedule, it is currently 9 o'clock. So I want to schedule that for 10 p.m. 10 p.m. when everybody's going to bed or everybody's laying down watching their YouTube videos, right? And we're going to select, let's just say New York time, because that's East Coast time, right? You can either set it as a premiere, which is something different, but I don't even think that even really matters. When you set it as a premiere, what it does is it lets all your subscribers you currently have know that a video is coming up. Depending on what you do for a channel, some people are going to like that. Some people don't really care. You know, I always don't really like to do the premiere. I just kind of schedule it. And now you see that's actually scheduled and ready to go. See, video is going to go public on September 19th, 2022 at 10 p.m. and you're all set. So that is it, guys. If you guys have any other questions as far as uploading YouTube videos or making graphics, thumbnails, anything like that for YouTube, definitely let me know. I'll post a video for it. All right, peace.